we must all recognize that the repression of XRP is genuine in multiple ways. This cryptocurrency has demonstrated that it is deserving of being in the top 10, and without a doubt, it has retained its position. Currently, XRP is ranked 8th, behind Solana and USD, which, frankly, I believe is temporary. As a result, this cryptocurrency is currently ranked 6th, which isn't ideal, but isn't the worst either. XRP has consistently been one of the top cryptos on the market that you should keep an eye on. And in this video, we'll discuss why I believe this point is being hidden. It is now time to begin the festivities. Guys, don't forget to enter our giveaway, in which we'll be giving away $2,000 worth of XRP to one lucky winner. As a thank you for assisting us in our growth, you can check it out. The requirements are detailed in the comment area below. The winner will be announced in a video here on Crypto Aussie on February 1st. Therefore, fasten your seatbelts and let us begin. Hello, welcome to Crypto Aussie, your preferred source for cryptocurrency news. If you're new here, click the subscribe button and enable alerts. This way, YouTube will notify you when we upload a new video. Additionally, if you're feeling kind and find this video educational, we'll slam the like button for as long as I can. Don't forget to leave a comment in the space below. We've seen this currency undergo significant repression. XRP has been receiving a lot of favorable news regarding its pricing. Is it accurate in reflecting the news? For example, XRP has partnered with market leaders such as Bank of America, which is a significant deal and should have pushed the price up even $10 or more at the current pricing. Additionally, the suppression persists despite the fact that the SEC lacks a compelling case against Ripple. Despite the fact that the price of XRP remains below the dollar. Consider what would happen if that happened to a cryptocurrency, such as Dosages, whose upward trajectory began solely as a result of Elon Musk's encouragement. To be sure, he is the wealthiest guy on the planet. However, this coin gained so much traction due to a single piece of excellent news. On the other side, XRP has been receiving positive news throughout the year, but the coin's price has been relatively stable. And that's not all. This tweet published by Stephen W. Huber encapsulates the situation perfectly. Stephen reminds out that while XRP has outperformed Ethereum, some argue that Ethereum is more technologically advanced. Although it is more decentralized and the founders are not stupid, this is not the case. In the truest sense, XRP has always outperformed Ethereum, but no one noticed until the SEC decided to protect investors. Yep, have you heard correctly? The SEC pushed Ripple below the in their attempt to shield investors from, essentially, nothing at the time. There is no such thing as investor protection from something that does not do them harm. Indeed, banks are cooperating with Ripple because the firm has a great deal to offer the financial sector. Excuse me if I'm wrong, but I don't believe it's easy to form a partnership with a bank, much less the central banks that should have been the SEC's first port of call before going all in on a crypto attack. That could be the case. However, I believe that there is a great deal going on behind the scenes that we are unaware of. John Dayton continued to share on Twitter about the matter a year ago, indicating that he had reportedly filed a writ of mandamus against the secretary. This is a court-based judicial remedy. Any government employee is required by law to do a specified act. This was a series of tweets that should not be disregarded. John continued by stating, as I previously stated, that it is a legal remedy that is not frequently sought. Indeed, that is the Department of, according to the DOJ website. Mandamus is a rare cure that should be employed only in extraordinary circumstances involving a distinctive emergency or public interest. I recognized XRP itself after reading the 79-page complaint twice. The SEC was attacking today's token, and I was well aware of what that entailed. Holders of XRP who are not guilty. This, I feel, was one of those rare instances of special emergency or public significance. A writ of mandamus essentially requests that a court direct an officer or agency to perform their official obligations properly or to correct an abuse of discretion. I believed, and still to believe, a year ago that the SEC misused it. By making allegations, it is impossible to establish that when Ripple transferred XRP to 8 specific investors or entities between 2013 and 2017, it included a security. Any commodity can be presented, packaged, marketed, or sold as a security, including XRP, Ethereum. Alternatively, Bitcoin could be sold in this manner, but the SecGov's argument in the Ripple case regarding XRP is absolutely deplorable. The SEC's approach is akin to suggesting that barges or orange groves are the problem. We were unregistered securities in 1946 as a result of the Howey case. Frankly, it's embarrassing, but I still believe in it now. The SEC, on the other hand, is completely unable of arguing that the XRP you and I acquired off Coinbase between February 2019 and January 2021 is an unregistered scheme. Remember that in January 2019, Coinbase met with the Securities and Exchange Commission along with its sophisticated and experienced securities lawyers and notified the SEC that Coinbase decided 2019's XRS not to be outdone by a security, and until the SEC announced otherwise, Coinbase was set to list XRP the next month. And the SEC provided no cause to pause, and on February 28, 2019, Coinbase officially listed and began trading XRP. However, it was 22 months later when Clayton struck. Despite their statements to the contrary, SEC claimed all XRP are securities. And the string of tweets continues. However, I've emphasized the most critical sections today, and as you can see, the SEC isn't interested in protecting the public, but in protecting its own selfish interests. As a result, they employ this to keep XRP's price low. But here's the really fascinating part. XRP is a fighter, and it has never fallen as much as they desired, and they cannot retain this coin indefinitely. Soon, XRP will increase 100-fold and will outperform even ETH theories. Simply wait and see. Having said that, I am now going to look at the charts. XRP is currently in a zone of reaccumulation. Please keep in mind that this is a weekly chart and it may take time for the price to reach our buy zone. The patients are critical at the moment. Now, we anticipate that XRP will reach parabolic levels in the third or fourth quarter of 2022. The long-term objective is to surpass $10. What could be driving the price so high is Coinbase. Alternatively, if the SEC wins the lawsuit, a catalyst will occur, causing the price to rise. Leave a comment below, check out the contest, and tell us where you believe XRP will be in a year. Dive in now to examine Bitcoin, as weird it may seem to chart an asset. Today's timeline is extremely useful for assessing the present market position for Bitcoin. I'll keep it as brief as possible to the points. This strategy results in a small but distinct list at the bottom. We have the 2-day RSI indicator, which indicates that the lows are higher since late November 2018, which corresponds to the bottom of the previous bear cycle. The RSI has made touch with that trend line. Another 2 occasions, all of which were regarded yearly bottoms. March 2020 and May 2021 are the dates. At the present, the price is consolidating just above the 2-day RSI trend line, indicating that a new support base may be emerging. Simultaneously, we notice that the 2-day MAA 200, the orange trend line, has contained and is still holding the early December 2021 downturn, returning to the pricing action. Clearly, this MIA level has been a critical support band for Bitcoin since it breached. It made contact in May 2019 with a view to establishing contact in July 2021 and maybe through July 2020 and November 2019. Notably, it has only broken since the 2018 bear cycle in March 2020, during the COVID leg flash fall. However, this cannot be considered a technical event because the meltdown was asset-wide and global in scope and was triggered by a once-in-a-decade occurrence. Global pandemic provided both the 2-day RSI, higher lows trendline, and the 2-day MAA 200 trendline hold. We have a compelling argument for a market bottom, but as usual, conduct your own research and remember to trade carefully. Gentlemen, we are not a professional financial counselor, and all videos on this channel are for educational purposes only, are not designed for entertaining reasons. Simply inform us of what you have in the comment space below, and as always, let's have a conversation. We appreciate your time and interest. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe using the button below, and switch on notifications so you're notified whenever we upload new awesome material. Once again, many thanks, and we'll see you on the money side next time.